Hey boys and girls, we're at 8468 Calle Morelos. This is in Mira Mesa, San Diego. This is a beautiful 4-bed, 3-bath, 2,100 square foot split level home that's been fully remodeled inside. I'd love to take you for a quick tour and see what this 1.29 million gets you. Come on. As we walk in here, the very first thing you notice is this place is beautifully staged. We got this wonderful neutral furniture with natural wood look. I think it's perfect for the space. It goes with these luxury vinyl plank floors that are kind of a nice like almond oak. Love that. As you look around, we got nice bright colors throughout, mostly whites and off-whites. Makes the place feel spacious and bright and very inviting. If you look over here, we've got this marble faced fireplace. Super tasteful. It's going to be kind of a timeless look. And anytime we put a lot of money into a renovation, we want it to last a long time. We've got dual pane vinyl sliding windows and doors throughout. They bring in a lot of natural light and then lock in that air conditioning in the summer. Let's go check out the kitchen next. So this is an interesting little spot here because we have something of a breakfast nook right here. And then we've got the big open kitchen inside this space here. We got a ton of countertop space. We got a ton of cabinetry, and the space between the refrigerator and the operations center is very big, which is really nice when you got a bunch of people, a bunch of kids, or a bunch of people over, all moving around the kitchen. You're not gonna bump into each other. I love that. Let's go check out the living room. This is an open kitchen concept. So we got the living room here, which is open to the kitchen over there. Maybe a little bit noisy, but that makes for a really good party environment, family get-together environment. You got a lot of friends over, creates a lot of energy. We like that. Over here, you can see we got the staging, shows you how to take advantage of this place. And as you look around, you'll notice we got windows everywhere. So even though we got the flush mounted lights here, you don't have to run them all the time to get a whole lot of natural light into this space. Let's check out this downstairs bathroom next. And then we also got our laundry space. Go ahead and pop a look in there. Now, one thing you'll notice about this bathroom is that is an exterior door that takes you to the outside of the house. Laundry room right here connects to the garage right behind you. And then we'll take you upstairs. A place like this kind of feels like an 80s party house. You got the open staircase right there, and then you got this big open area. It's like an upstairs living room. And come check this out. It's open to the living room downstairs. So again, going back to that whole theme about entertaining people, having folks over, that's what you get. Creates a lot of dynamic energy across the house. First bedroom is right here. Now these bedrooms are pretty standard size. Again, this is a 4-bed, 3-bath, but they all have nice paint, nice light fixtures, dual pane windows, and decent sized closets. Not exceptional, but adequate. Upstairs, our first main bathroom, full bath. You can see this space right here. It's really nicely appointed. It's got the same matching marble floors here as we saw in the fireplace downstairs, which really tie in nicely with those quartz countertops on the vanities inside. Then we got a master bedroom. My favorite thing about the master bedroom, besides this deck, is the high ceilings. We have a limited square foot in the house, but when we have these high ceilings, it creates a lot of volume, a lot of headroom, makes the room feel more spacious and a lot more comfortable. Check out this bathroom. Here's your master bath. Again, you'll notice with the matching tiles throughout the rest of the house, that consistent theme is really nice, especially when you're moving into a house. You want to see the same features throughout the entire place. We got a full-size walk-in closet over here with a lot of storage space overhead. And then the outside upstairs deck. Check this puppy out. Look how much blue sky we have here. Absolutely nothing in the way. What you don't see here is you don't see a whole bunch of power lines. You don't see a whole bunch of trees in your way. So when you come out here, you're getting fresh air and open views. Now around the corner here, you'll notice that we got solar panels on this house. You can walk right up and work on those if you wanted to, though I don't recommend it. This place has total 80s party vibes. I love everything about it. All right, well, that's it for 8468 Calle Morelos here in Mira Mesa in San Diego. I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you want to see this house or others like it, please do reach out. I'm Matt Honeycutt with Home Free Realty. I thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time on another edition of the House Tours.